am K. Charan. Now I am going to tell about the 118 elements of the periodic table. Everything is made up of some element. Every element has their atomic numbers. Now I am going to tell about the 118 elements. 1. Hydrogen. 2. Helium. 3. Lithium. 4. Beryllium. 5. Boron. 6. Carbon. 7. Nitrogen. 8. Oxygen. 9. Fluoride. 10. Neon. 11. Sodium. Its lattice name is Natrium, that's why it is Na. 12. Magnesium. 13. Aluminium. 14. Silicon. 15. Phosphorus. 16. Sulfur. 17. Chlorine. 18. Argon. 19. Potassium. Its Latin name is Kalium, that's why it is K. 20. Calcium. 21. Scandium. 22. Titanium. 23. Vanadium. 24. Chromium. 25. Manganese. 26. Iron. Its Latin name is ferrum, that's why it is Fe. 27. Cobalt. 28. Nickel. 29. Copper. Its lattice name is cuprum, that's why it is Cu. 30. 30. Zinc. 31. Gallium. 32. Germanium. 30. Arsenic. 34. Selenium. 35. Bromine. 36. Krypton. 37. Rubidium. 38. Strontium. 39. Yttrium. 40. Zirconium. 41. Niobium. 42. Molybdenum. 43. Technetium. 44. Ruthenium. 45. Rhodium. 46. Palladium. 47. Silver. Its Latin name is argentum, that's why it is Ag. 48. Cadmium. 49. Indium. 50. Tin. Its Latin name is stannum, that's why it is Sn. 51. Antimony. Its Latin name is tibium, that's why it is Sb. 52. Tellurium. 53. Iodine. 54. Xenon. 55. Cesium. 56. Barium. 57. Lanthanum. 58. Cerium. 59. Praseodymium. 60. Neodymium. 61. Promethium 62. Samarium 63. Gadolinium 65. Terbium 66. Dysprosium 67. Holmium 68. Erbium 69. Thulium 70. Ytterbium 71. Lutetium 72. Hafnium 73. Tantalum 74. Tungsten, its Latin name is Wolfram, that's why it is W. 75. Rhenium 76. Osmium 77. Iridium 78. Platinum 79. Gold, its Latin name is Aurum, that's why it is AU. 80. Mercury, its Latin name is Hydrogium, that's why it is Hg. 81. Thallium 82. Lead, its Latin name is Plumbum, that's why it is Pb. 83. Bismuth 84. Polonium 85. Astatine 86. Radon 87. Francium 88. Radium 89. Actinium 90. Thorium. Sorry, it is 91. Protactinium 92. Uranium 93. Neptunium 94. Plutonium 95. Americium 96. Curium 97. Berkelium 98. Californium 99. Einsteinium 100. Fermium 101. Mendelevium 102. Nobelium 103. Lawrencium 104. Rutherfordium 105. Dubnium 106. Seaborgium 107. Barium 108. Hassium 109. Meitnerium 110. Darmstadtium 111. Roentgenium 112. Copernicium 113. Nihonium 114. Flerovium 115. Moscovium 116. Livermorium 117. Tennessine 118. Ogasin. So I completed the 118 elements of the periodic table. Thank you.